Greetings students and welcome to week 6 of Comp 2. This week we are going to continue working on our ad analysis essays. We're also going to start our next unit, our unit on entertainment. So last week you submitted the first draft of your ad analysis essay. This week we're going to workshop. So first things first, just click on this folder and you'll find instructions to workshop the first draft of your ad analysis essay. Again, this will take you to that discussion board where we posted our essays last week. So just follow these instructions and be sure you do a really good workshop because it's important. Again, I've included the little video on annotating using Microsoft Word, so I want you to do both annotations of the draft and then also write a short letter to your classmates, giving them some feedback on their writing assignment. And then we'll come back to week 6 and we'll get started with our unit on entertainment. So this is just a little overview on entertainment and why we're thinking about it. I think advertising kind of flows into entertainment because so much of it, more and more, is getting linked in together. We're seeing a lot more infotainment, and that's one of the things we'll consider. So we're going to start out thinking about television and how television works. So first we're going to think about gin, LOL cats, and social surplus. So you have a reading assignment from your textbook called Gin, Television, and Social Surplus by Clay Shirky, who I describe as a techno prophet and internet wizard. He also did a TED Talk on this exact same topic. So it's kind of nice to both watch the TED Talk and read the essay. You get a little bit from both. So once you've reviewed both of those materials, we're gonna do a discussion. So follow the link and discuss what your thoughts and reactions of gin and LOL cats and why even something as stupid as creating an LOL cat can be meaningful. And then just for a little fun, if you need a lot of LOL cats in your life to cheer you up, here's a short YouTube video with all the LOL cats you could possibly desire. And then finally, a link to the home of LOL cats so you can possibly write your own. These two are totally optional, but I thought since we were discussing them, you might as well have a little internet fun. All right, we'll come back to week 6 and we'll take a look at our next reading assignment. We're going to think about television and how its effect on us. Does it make us smarter, or does it actually make us stupid? So first thing, we're going to read an essay by Steve Johnson in Common Culture called Watching Television Makes You Smarter, which is kind of a provocative argument. Doing that, along with that essay, I've given you some links to some of the shows that Johnson refers to. So it kind of gives you a timeline of cop dramas throughout the ages and how they get more and more complicated and perhaps challenge us as viewers a little bit more. So if you want to check out Starsky and Hutch, Hill Street Blues, and then some CSI, sort of shows you how these shows have kind of become more complicated, and then you can decide if you agree with Johnson or not that these are challenging us and making us smarter consumers of media. Finally, I've given you a reading assignment about television addiction and how the article is called Television Addiction, No Mere Metaphor. So I'll just have you read that and think about it. Does it function as an addiction? Does it work on our brain, perhaps in the ways that advertising does? And is it something that we need to be worried about? So no assignment with that one, just do the reading. We're going to come back to week 6. All right, and then last this week, we're going to begin our entertainment analysis project. So I know you have a lot of assignments kind of juggling around, but this week we're just going to get started with this project, get you thinking about it. And so here are the assignment instructions for your entertainment analysis essay. It can get you started thinking about this assignment and where you might want to go with it. I've also given you a little video kind of demonstrating some idea generation, some brainstorming that you might do on this assignment. So if I were going to write it, this is this might be what I would do. This is a video that I made going through a Prezi. If you just want to check out the Prezi alone, you can follow this link, or you can watch the video here. And then a little warning, a lot of students when they write this assignment, they have a tendency to say, okay, I'm going to write about reality TV, and I'm going to write about how it's fake. Well, everybody knows it's fake, but why is that so interesting? And why do we call it reality television? And how does it challenge our concepts of reality? So the thesis of your essay should not be reality TV is fake, but it can be about reality television. Finally, I'm going to have you do your short writing assignment for this unit, and I'm going to have you just respond to one of the articles that we're reading. So if you'd like to read ahead at some of our other entertainment essays, that's fine, or you can do one of the ones that we read for this week. But we're going to practice our yes, no, okay, but responses from They Say, I Say. So read your They Say, I Say chapter and then respond to one of those entertainment articles in this assignment. And that's what we have on the docket for week 6. As always, let me know if you have questions, and good luck.